We are going to start from our header section. So here I will attach image which is in current directory. Under images, image sorry okay, this image tag, I write a code here. Go to current directory, then the folder name is images, which is this one. After that the file name or image name, which is here. If I save and go to my browser and refresh, here I have image and the buttons. Okay, so let's copy and paste 2 times. If I refresh, it will look like that. So replace the images. The second image is pizza, and here is our image. And the last one is fast food. For fast food, I don't know which image I used. It's a burger, I think. Yeah, this one. Copy the name and paste here. Go to browser, reload. Okay, done. Okay, now we finished our HTML code. So next step, we'll create a CSS file for design this HTML code. Let's create here a new folder. Under our current directory, style. Here I'm going to create a new file. Okay, let's create one CSS file for this navbar, the second for a header. Okay, nav.css. First of all, we have to attach this nav.css with our HTML file. So for this one, we have to write a tag here, the style, and sorry, the link. Okay, actually this style tag for giving inline CSS code, we can write our CSS code here also inside this style tag. So at this moment we are going to create a separate CSS file, so we'll just attach that CSS file, this nav.css, in our HTML file. So we'll go to current directory, after that style folder. Inside style folder we have a nav.css. Save. Okay, if I go to my browser and reload and go to view source. Here you can see we have a empty nav.css file. Let's make the test this nav css body, background color, let's say like blue. If I reload, you can see now our CSS file is working. Let's create one more file here. Index.css. I will cut this body code from here and paste inside index.css. This background color, say RGBA. So light silver color or I think the code is, I'll just write light gray. Okay, it's my mistake. We have to attach this index.css in our index.html file. Here I just copy paste and replace the file name is index.css. The code is same. This RGBA, RGB, and it's a color combinations. So you can define here RGB color or hexacode. So it's a normal CSS tags, you can say. If I reload, now it's working. Okay, after that margin 0. Now if I reload, you can see no margin in the screen. If I remove this tag and reload, is a margin. So we have to, we don't need this margin. Okay, super. In this video tutorial, we create two CSS file and attach with our HTML code or file, and in next video tutorial we will complete this navbar and header.